Hi, it's Awesome Games here, and I'm playing some more Unturned. Alright, I'll do easy. I just died a few minutes ago, but this time I'll try and survive. Alright. Oh no, it's night. I might have enough time to find something. It would be cool if you started off with something, but in the last update you did, but you didn't start off with any weapons, and now you don't start off with anything. It's even worse. Might just want to find... Oh, there's a town. Oh, there's a lot of probably zombies there. Oh, there's no zombie in here. It's just a box. Just boxes here. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, was close. Might go here. Oh, there's a boat. Okay. Oh yes, this is what I need. Hee yeah. Come on. Might just get it. Yeah, you did it too. Gonna get this town myself. Just gonna kill all these zombies. Yes. What? Can't even go through there. Is there some sort of door here? Yeah. That'd be good. Alright. Is there anything here? No. There's a cafe. Not that much here. Just a bunch of clocks. Ooh, I can get food supplies in the pizza place. Oh, you're not gonna get me because I got a knife. What the? Why am I getting so small? This is weird. Oh, that's why. My leg's actually completely cut off. What the? This is like the glitchiest thing ever. No, it doesn't do anything. I'll just kill you. Maybe I need to find a medikit. That could work. Oh, stop. Stop roaring at me or else I'll kill you. I don't see how I can die if I do this. I need to find a medikit. Cause this really sucks being so short like this. Is that a bed? Ooh. Alright. Oh, they might be there. Oh, that's just that. It's like some calculator or something. Need to find something I could use. Oh, I thought there was like some construction thing. Man, I need to find this. It's like nothing. Oh, it's just a sign. I'll kill you. Oh, is there a car? Nope, that's just a boat. There's a purse. There might be stuff there. I want to find some sort of gun. Like a machine gun or AK-47, bazooka. I wish you could jump. Pick up glue. Why would you need glue? Wait, what? Nothing there. Oh, there might be some guns or something here. Or even a medikit would be good. Huh, lol, I can just go in through that box. Tape. Glue. Tape. There's nothing here. Come on. What is the person use tape for? Man, I gotta find a medikit so I can get out of this pickup rope. I don't know what I could use that, but maybe it might be a bit useful. Maybe. Ooh. Tape. Oh, come on. Don't need tape here. Oh, are there any more shops? Oh, maybe there'll be something here. I think I've been here. Oh, there's binoculars. Alright, so just need to pick up those binoculars so I can use them. Oh, beast. Oh, this is awesome. Just need to get that knife back. I might could use that. Oh, I'm growing legs now. Getting taller somehow. I don't know what to do. What should I do?